Namaste and welcome back to the Learn Astrology series on astrographology. Today we step into chapter 2 where we explore one of the most powerful and transformative areas of your birth chart, the first house, also known as ascendant or lagna. In this chapter, we will explore each planet in the first house, not just from a theoretical angle, but from a practical and predictive perspective. If you ever wondered why you behave the way you do, why certain life patterns repeat, or why do you naturally gravitate towards specific people, careers, or experiences? The answers often begin right here in your first house. So get ready for a deep, insightful, and transformative journey into the heart of Vedic astrology. Let's begin chapter 2, Different Planets in the First House. Sun in the first house. When the sun occupies the first house, the natives develop a strong, radiant personality that naturally attracts attention. Physically, these individuals tend to have sharp features, expressive eyes, and a confident presence that others notice immediately. Predictively, this placement ensures strong leadership roles and successful career outcomes in the fields related to authority such as government, administration, business leadership, or entrepreneurship. In relationships, the sun creates a desire for respect and admiration, which means the individual often chooses partners who appreciate their strength and independence. Challenges may arise when ego becomes too strong, leading to conflicts or the need to dominate relationships. Practically, the native must learn humility and emotional awareness to maintain harmonious partnerships. Financially, these individuals are good at managing money as long as their ego doesn't push them into showing off or overspending on luxury. Their career grows steadily when they take initiative and they often rise to influential positions with time. Health wise, the sun in the first house gives vitality, but it may indicate headaches, heat related imbalance, or blood pressure issues. The practical lesson of this placement is learning balance between authority and cooperation, confidence and humility. Moon in the first house. Moon in the first house creates a personality that is shaped strongly by emotions and intuition. This placement brings fluctuating life experiences, emotional highs and lows, and a deep need for emotional security. In relationships, these individuals are very nurturing and empathetic, often taking care of their partner's emotional needs. However, mood swings can cause instability in relationships unless emotional balance is cultivated. Career wise, Moon in the first house favors fields involving caring, creativity, hospitality, public relations, teaching, and psychological or healing professions. The native's success is tied to emotional stability. When they feel good internally, their outer life thrives. Financially, the moon gives moderate success but frequent changes. Money may come and go depending on mood and confidence levels. Health wise, moon natives must take care of digestion, sleep cycles, and stress related conditions. The practical lesson of this placement is emotional grounding. Meditation, journaling, and strong routine dramatically transforms their life outcomes. Mercury in the first house. When Mercury resides in the first house, the native becomes intellectually sharp, witty, and youthful. This is one of the best placements for careers involving communication, writing, media, sales, marketing, information technology, teaching, journalism, and analytical fields. Their mind works quickly, allowing them to excel in negotiations, presentations, and strategy based roles. In relationships, Mercury makes the individual playful, talkative, and mentally engaging. They prefer their partners who stimulate their mind. However, restlessness can lead to inconsistency or indecision, especially in the long term commitments. Financially, Mercury supports earning through business, trade, communication, or technology. The native is skilled at managing finances but may become impulsive if overstimulated. Health issues may include anxiety, nervous system imbalance, or digestive issues due to overthinking. The practical lesson of this placement is learning to focus. When Mercury natives discipline their mind, extraordinary success follows. Venus in the first house. Venus in the first house blesses the native with beauty, charm, creativity, and social magnetism. This is a highly favorable for careers in entertainment, art, beauty, design, luxury industries, diplomacy, and relationship counseling. Venus natives effortlessly attract opportunities through their pleasing personality and refined sense of aesthetics. In relationships, Venus creates romantic, harmonious, and affectionate behavior. These individuals they value emotional connection, beauty, and comfort. However, they may struggle with dependency or seeking validation from others. They must learn self love to avoid unhealthy attachments. Financially, Venus brings prosperity, especially through creativity or partnerships. However, overspending on luxury or comfort can cause imbalance. Health wise, Venus gives overall good vitality but may cause hormonal imbalance or sugar related conditions if not balanced. The practical lesson seek emotional strength, not just external harmony. Mars in the first house. Mars in the first house is a powerful placement that brings energy, courage, assertiveness, and an action oriented mindset. This is an excellent placement for careers involving sports, engineering, military, police, surgery, business, and entrepreneurship. These individuals are natural leaders who prefer to take charge rather than just follow others. In relationships, Mars gives passion and intensity. The native is fiercely loyal, but they are prone to impatience or anger. They must learn emotional regulation to maintain harmony. Financially, Mars creates sharp instincts, enabling bold financial decisions. Success often comes through risk taking or competitive fields. Health issues may involve inflammation, accidents, burns, or high energy imbalance. Practical lesson is channel your aggression into constructive ambition. Jupiter in the first house. Jupiter in the first house expands personality, wisdom, and destiny. This is a highly auspicious placement that brings good fortune, moral strength, and spiritual inclination. Careers in teaching, law, finance, spirituality, counseling, or leadership thrive under Jupiter's influence. In relationships, the native is generous, kind and supportive. Jupiter blesses marriage and brings stable partnerships. However, over idealization may create unrealistic expectations. Financially, Jupiter brings steady growth, often through knowledge based professions. Overspending or overconfidence may create periodic setbacks. Health issues may include weight gain, liver imbalance, or excess due to Jupiter's expanding quality. Practical lesson is balance optimism with realism. Saturn in the first house. Saturn in the first house shapes a disciplined, responsible, and serious personality. This placement delays success, but it ensures stability and long-term achievements. These individuals they excel in careers that require patience, structure, management, engineering, law, research, or labor intensive roles. In relationships, Saturn creates loyalty but also emotional reservation. Partnerships mature with time, and early life may bring challenges before stability develops. Financially, Saturn brings slow but steady progress. Savings grow through discipline and consistent effort. Health issues may involve bones, joints, anxiety, or fatigue. Practical lesson is embrace slow growth and trust long term rewards. Rahu in the first house. Rahu in the first house predicts a life of ambition, unpredictability, and dramatic rise. These individuals they often break traditional norms and succeed through unconventional paths. Careers involving media, foreign lands, technology, politics, fame, innovation, or risk taking are highly favorable. In relationships, Rahu creates magnetic attraction but emotional instability. The native may attract unusual partners or have unconventional love experiences. Financially, Rahu brings sudden gains and sudden losses. Risk and reward, they walk hand in hand. Health issues may involve anxiety, addictions, or imbalance. Practical lesson for these natives is to stay grounded while embracing ambition. Ketu in the first house. Ketu in the first house creates a deeply introspective and spiritual personality. This placement brings a disconnect from ego and material identity. Success comes through spiritual fields, healing, research, astrology, metaphysics, or isolation based work. Relationships may feel karmic, intense, or confusing until the native establishes a clear sense of self. Financially, Ketu may create instability early in life but stabilizes when the native follows a purpose driven path. Health may involve immunity issues or unexplained fatigue. Practical lessons for these native is build identity, strengthen grounding, and embrace life purpose. Thank you so much for watching Astrographology. I truly appreciate your time and energy on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this chapter, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the spiritual community grow. Stay tuned for Chapter 3, where we will explore the fascinating effects of different planets in the second house. Until then, stay blessed, stay cosmic.